Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. It's been so long. I know the last video I made was the Apple Watch Series 9, but like the last time I properly sat in front of the camera and gave you guys an update like this one or a video, it's been a while. And today I want to talk about the AirPods Pro 2nd generation because I have a bit of a story behind it. But for right now, let's get into the unboxing and I'll give you my first impressions. Okay, so here's the box. Flip it over and you can see that it's got the MagSafe, charging case, USB-C details, stuff on the back. Rip these stickers off and off comes the top. We've got the Designed by Apple in California stuff with all the instruction manuals and stuff inside, which we're going to skip over. And there are the AirPods Pro. We're going to keep that aside for just a moment as we look at what else we have. Here we've got the extra ear tips. We've got extra small, small, and large with medium fitted on the AirPods Pro. And a beautiful braided USB-C to C charging cable. Finally. Good to see Apple making the switch to all braided cables. Now we've got the AirPods. Let's take this plastic covering off. And there we are. It's such a beautiful glossy case, but it gathers scratches super easily, so I'm going to be slapping a case on this or some sort of cover on this at the earliest. Let's pair it, shall we? If this is your first time pairing AirPods to an iPhone, well, all you got to do is open them up next to your iPhone and they will show up like this. Hit connect and it will show you all the various controls and the ways that you can operate the AirPods Pro. I actually bought an AirPods Pro 2nd generation. I had it robbed. Like it was stolen from me in central London. I was with a friend and we were chilling. In the next moment I know my bag's gone, like my mini sling bag. I have my AirPods and yeah, that was just... Before I could even give my thoughts on it, it was gone. Let's talk quickly about active noise cancellation and transparency. They're both on a different league. I feel like the active noise cancelling on these are a little bit better than the ones on my XM4 headphones, and transparency is leagues better than anything I've ever used. Of course, they're up to par with AirPods Max kind of transparency, but they're leagues clear of any other product that gives you transparency. And there's been one major software update for these since I last used them, and that brings up stuff like conversational awareness and what's that called? It's called, I gotta see, damn it. It's called adaptive sound. And I haven't been able to put it through its paces properly just yet, but transparency, noise cancelling, A1. Sometimes transparency is so good and the earbuds are so light that I forget that I'm wearing them. The sound quality on these are crazy good. Now they don't have insane bass like the OnePlus Nord Buds 2 that I've tried recently. It's not a dynamic sound like Beats. It's really hard to describe, but it sounds full and balanced. It's the best way to put it. There's good bass, you can hear different bits of instruments in the background of the song, stuff that you haven't noticed before. Spatial audio is super cool. Oh yeah, I haven't mentioned, I actually was using a pair of Beats Studio Buds Plus, but for some reason nothing came close to the experience of the AirPods Pro. So yeah, I kind of left them behind and decided to pick up another pair. And as far as features goes, the case has Find My, and this is the USB-C version. I used to have the Lightning one. It's super great that you can just use USB-C to charge everything now. I'm free of Lightning devices almost completely, and it's been great. But yeah, overall, I've been really enjoying using these, and I can't wait to actually share my thoughts in a full review, because even though I kind of said how I feel about these already, I really want to put them against Beats Studio Buds, because these have been game-changing for me, and I really, really love these. So yeah, that's my first impressions. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like that like button, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future content, because I've got a lot of exciting stuff coming soon. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.